So this is a setting spray. I already have some of my favorite setting sprays already. So I want to try this because this one has vitamin C and cactus flower water. And it's by Urban Decay, the all-nighter. So I'm really excited to try this. Now we're going to go to Linesh. Linesh is an amazing brand. I love it. All of their products is great. I love a milky toner. This is called Cream Skin Toner, and it helps to hydrate the skin. After I wash my face, this is what I use, and I just did a restock. But yeah, definitely try it and let me know what you guys think. And I bought some of Linesh's lip products. So they have one where they're doing a special berry sweet. Get two together, and it's a really good price because it's like that's the price of one. So might actually go get another one. Love these. This is another Linesh, and it's the gummy flavor. The gummy flavor is so good. Should definitely pick this up at Sephora. And the gummy one comes in a glowy balm. It's really easy to take on the go and to put on. I'm gonna try that. And then we have one of my favorite liquid blushes from Rare Beauty. It's Grace. It's a beautiful pink, and this is like my third bottle. I'm obsessed with it. Glow Recipe's great, and this is a hyaluronic serum, and it's an esthetician at Sephora told me like it is the most hydrating serum, so we'll see.